You said I love you before you knew who I was. You fell in love with the idea of me. I try to tell you, you know I got real flaws. I'm not a goddess.